gave them some Tupperware containers because they were needing new toys. There's not enough toys for 7 puppies, and they're just having a blast with these. Well, of course, they always want more food, but they're having fun. Oh, they're fighting over it too. Oh, stinkers. Look at this guy. He's got 2. He doesn't know what to do. Yeah. Oh, I saw my feet. Need lots of room to run around at this age. 6 weeks. 6 weeks yesterday. They still want to cuddle. See where this little guy got his forehead banged the bottom of Brandy's crate. He's got a little scab on his forehead, little stinker. But it's healing up really well. So, I see they're having fun with that.